Welcome to EncycloHub. Here we are discussing MA Psychology. Questions. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question solution in PDF and handwritten. Also, if you need answers of any type of subject or course, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Now question. Answer the following questions in 1,000 words each. 3 times 15 is equal to 45 marks. 2. Explain the characteristics and stages of prenatal development. 3. Discuss aging issues and challenges in middle adulthood. Section B. Answer the following questions in 400 words each. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 marks. 4. Discuss Piaget's and Kohlberg's ideas on moral development. 5. Elucidate learning disability, highlighting its characteristics, causes, and identification. Process. 6. Describe language development in children, highlighting its components. 7. Discuss the psychosocial changes in older adults. 8. Describe the challenges and issues faced by an adolescent. Section C. Answer the following questions in 50 words each. 10 times 3 is equal to 30 marks. 9. Concept formation. 10. Educational approach for hearing impaired children. 11. Characteristics of infancy stage. 12. Relationships in late adulthood. 13. Growth spurt. 14. Identity crisis. 15. Critical periods during development. 16. Formal operation stage. 17. Nature versus nurture debate. 18. Longitudinal method. Thanks for watching.